What if you can turn any idea into polished videos in one click? Agent Opus is the first AI video agent that gives you end-to-end video creation experience. Just drop in a prompt, link, or your media, and the agents do the researching, script writing, curating real-world assets, creating motion graphics, adding voiceover, creating lifelike avatar, and do all the editing for you. Whether you are a content creator, business owner, or wear any hat, Agent Opus is your best helper to create quality videos, grow your social presence, and boost revenue.
All of the AI tools they use are an edit assistant to me.
We use some of these AI efficiency tools to speed up our edit.
Here's the truth. AI isn't replacing editors. It's replacing the grunt work.
Yeah.
Make them say wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Yeah.
Wow, wow, wow. Make them say wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Now you can convert news headline into 10 viral clips in just seconds. Create Reels, Shorts, and TikTok videos 10 times faster. Agent Opus turned a $150,000 Labubu story into a viral-ready short in seconds.
Why are people paying $150,000 for a tiny toy? Labubu isn't just a collectible, it's a marketing phenomenon reshaping global brands. Hotmart's Labubu blind boxes routinely sell out in minutes, with rare editions reselling for up to $150,000.
Remember that Rubik's Cube promo that went viral? This was how it was generated using this prompt.
This little cube has destroyed more egos than calculus. Invented in 1974 by Erno Rubik, not to torture you, but to teach 3D geometry to students. He called it the Magic Cube. It was renamed, rebranded, and unleashed onto an unsuspecting world. By the 80s, it was everywhere. But here's the twist. Most people never solved it, not even its inventor. Frustration led to rage, rage led to memes. Memes led to YouTubers cashing in on how to cheat. Now it's a sport, a flex, a full-blown personality. Some even do it blindfolded or with their feet. Ew. The cube went from classroom model to global obsession. It's not just a puzzle, it's a legacy. Still think you're smarter than a plastic box? Try again.
So why do creators and marketers need Agent Opus?
In today's world, video is key to expanding your influence. But crafting professional content means research, planning storyboards, writing scripts, gathering assets, animating visuals, recording voiceovers, editing footage, and more. Not everyone has time or resources for a full team. If only there was an agent that could handle it all, so that you can stay focused on your expertise. Just drop in an article, a post, a script, your own assets, or anything. Agent Opus turns it into a polished video tailored to your taste with a full team of smart agents you can guide, edit, and talk to.
Getting started with Opus is very simple. Just follow the link in the description of this video, and you'll be taken to their website. Hit the Get Started for Free button, and then sign up with your email. That's it. Go ahead and start creating your viral videos with Agent Opus. Thank you for watching. If you got any value from this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification for more content.